Good morning. Today we are going to study expression for pressure volume 1. See here, in the last lecture we studied that W, that is the work done, is nothing but the pressure volume type of work, and I have explained you about the concept. When pressure is reduced, piston moves in the upward direction. When external pressure is applied, piston moves in the downward direction. During expansion, the piston moves in the upward direction, and during compression, piston moves in the downward direction. We have already seen about this. Now see here, today we are going to study pressure volume type of work, and this work is also known as isothermal irreversible process. That means on expansion, when the piston moves in the upward direction, so once the piston moves in the upward direction, it cannot come back to its original position. Or during compression, once the piston moves in the downward direction, it cannot go back to its original position, and therefore at constant temperature, isothermal means constant temperature, irreversible process is occurred, and we have to see the expression, that is W is equal to minus P into delta V, this expression for this process. See here, for this we have considered, consider certain amount of gas at constant pressure P is enclosed in the cylinder. This cylinder is fitted with a frictionless and movable piston. This is the piston. The area of piston is A. Consider that let the volume of the gas enclosed in the cylinder is V1. Initially, we have filled the cylinder with V1 volume of the gas, and at temperature T. What will happen on expansion? On expansion, the force exerted by the gas is equal to area of the piston into pressure. We have already seen this, learned this in the last lecture, that if the external pressure is reduced, expansion of the gas occurs and piston moves in the upward direction, okay, and the force with which the piston moves in the upward direction or in the downward direction, that force into the displacement is nothing but the work done. We have already seen this. W is equal to F into D, means the gas performs work when the piston moves in the upward or downward direction. That means the force into the distance, and this is nothing but the work done by the system or work done on the system. We have already seen this. So on expansion, the force exerted by gas is equal to area of the piston. Is equal to area of the piston is nothing but A into the pressure. Into the pressure. So what is this? Nothing but the force. So on expansion, force exerted by the gas is equal to area of the piston into pressure. See here, I have written F is equal to minus P external into A. Why there is minus P external? So see here, this pressure is equal in magnitude and opposite in sign to external atmospheric pressure. Once the expansion has been occurred, what will happen? Now at this time, the pressure on the gas and the surrounding pressure, now it is equal in magnitude but opposite in sign to external pressure. That is, this pressure acting on the gas, it is, the pressure is equal to magnitude and opposite in sign to external atmospheric pressure. And so we have written here F is equal to minus P external into A. Now if the piston moves to distance D, see here, on expansion the piston moves in the upward direction, and therefore the initial volume V1 it changes to final volume V2, and the gas molecules they have to travel this distance d. So are you getting me? This is the initial volume V1, and this is the, on expansion the volume changes to V2, and therefore the gas molecules they have to travel this distance d. Now this was the initial area, and now the area becomes like this, and therefore there is a change in volume V2 minus V1, and there is a change in volume V2 minus V1 which is represented by the delta V. This delta represents the change, final volume minus initial volume. So this delta V, change in volume, final volume minus initial volume, is nothing but area into the distance or the displacement. Okay, so if piston moves to distance d, then amount of the work done is equal to force into distance, and therefore W is equal to F into d. So what is F? W is equal to minus P external. F is minus P external into A, and W is, this is F into D. So F, the value of F is substituted in this equation, minus P external into A into D. So now I have just told you that what is A into D? Area into distance is nothing but the V2 minus V1, that is change in volume. So by substituting the value of D, we will get the equation W is equal to minus P external delta V. So W is equal to minus P external, what is delta V? V2 minus V1. So on expansion W is negative. On expansion W is negative. That means the work done by the system. And on compression W is positive. That is work done on the system. So I will repeat once again. W is equal to minus P external V2 minus V1, or W is equal to minus P external delta V. This is the expression for pressure volume type of work in the isothermal irreversible process. So on expansion W is negative. The W means work done by the system. Work of expansion means work done by the system. And on compression work is done on the system. Work is done on the system. See here. So this is all about the expression for pressure volume type of work. We have already seen this in our last lecture. W is equal to F into D. F is nothing but the force with which the piston moves in the upward direction or in the downward direction, and D is the displacement or the distance travelled by the gas molecules. Okay. See here on the blackboard. Here is a cylinder, and we are going to consider a certain amount of gas at constant pressure P. A gas is there having a constant pressure P and is enclosed in a cylinder, but obvious the cylinder have a movable and frictionless piston. The cross section area of cylinder is A. Cylinder is fitted with movable piston. Gas is enclosed in the cylinder. In the figure you can see here volume V1 and volume V2, and D is the distance travelled by the pistons. So gaseous pressure is P, and now the movable piston is moving towards upward side. What will happen? The volume of the gas will expand, means the gas volume changes from V1 to V2. From V1 to V2, the displacement shown by the piston is D, and that is shown in the figure. And now we have just studied let volume of the gas is V1 at temperature T. On expansion, the force exerted by a gas is equal to area of the piston multiplied by pressure. This pressure is equal to magnitude and opposite in sign to the external atmospheric pressure, which opposes the movement and has its value minus P external, and thus F is equal to minus P external into A. Okay. What is P external? External atmospheric pressure. Now if the piston moves to distance D, amount of work done is equal to the force multiplied by distance. So I have written W is equal to F into D, and substituting the value we will get the expression W is equal to minus P external delta V, or W is equal to minus P external V2 minus V1. So when the gas expands, work done is negative, and when the gas compressed, work done is positive. Okay. See here, on expansion W is negative, on compression W is positive. And we will see in the next video.